In June 2017, President Donald Trump announced the withdrawal of the United States from the Paris Climate Agreement, a United Nations initiative that brought together 195 countries in the fight against climate change. With global greenhouse gas emissions at record levels, many people asked how America, the second biggest polluter in the world, could put the interests of the economy above the interests of planet Earth. But it's not all bad news, because many Americans are working hard to turn the tide. Americans love buying cars, but traditional automobiles run on fossil fuels that emit harmful greenhouse gases. It's why companies like Ford and General Motors are investing billions making electric vehicles that are much safer for the environment to meet a growing demand for consumers who want to play their part. Every year, America produces around 260 million tons of waste, most of which ends up in landfill sites that produce almost 18% of America's overall methane emissions. It's why in 2009, the city of San Francisco made recycling compulsory. The city's fantastic 3-bin system helps residents sort through their trash easily. It's meant that San Francisco now has an 80% recycling rate, the highest in the country. Schools are also playing a part by educating a new generation of climate activists. They're helping students set up school gardens where they can grow their own vegetables and learn about sustainable food production. They're joining in the fight against deforestation by using tree-free paper in classrooms. And some schools are even encouraging teachers and students to carpool their way to school. The future of our planet cannot be secured without the cooperation of nations, but small changes can still make a big difference. Do you think America is doing enough to go green?